gumawa siya. Paano ka nakapag-slide?
Hole. Portal.
Kill. Alam mo, mas mataas ako doon sa slide. Ay, butas.
Ayun naman.
Wala na, di naman may kita ng pula. Wala nga eh.
Hindi. Hindi rin naman. Guys, don't run. Guys. Where's the high school? Where's the high school? Kala ko interactable. Tinatry ko yung live mababa. Ano yung interactable? Kasi ito interactable yun. Interactive? Oo. Ayan o. What's that, magnet? Alam ko, it is! Oh, it is possible. Yeah. Dito lang. I'm
Gatunda is also known as apple banana.
Apple. Yes, sir. I pictured it. Apple. Oh no. Hey. Hey, kuya. You're gonna picture it. Yes, because teacher will ask it. Let's open all. Latundan. Known as apple banana. Sabah. Señorita. Mongkoy. Cariñosa. Lakatan. Cavendish. Brand name. Wait a minute. Okay. I'm done. Next. Yeah, you can go. I'm just gonna... I'm just gonna cook my banana. It's not cooking, bro. It's not even lighting. It's cooking. Why is it so heavy? Let's leave it there. No, put it in the something else. Yeah, right there. Hey, don't run. Let's go to the... I need to picture that information on the table. What information? Excuse me. Thank you. Let's go to the foods. Right here. I saw the foods. This? No, not that. Like that. This is banana cube. It's interactable. Yeah, interactable, bro. Meet yourself. You know Señorita? Yeah, this is Señorita. No, here, Señorita. Where's the Señorita? This one, I told you. Señor. The Señor. Here, Señorita. At the bottom. Yeah, that's Señorita. That's banana cube. Banana cube. Bro, who's this? I don't know. Let's go to the foods, bro. It's so large. What's that? Is that chalk?
It's chalk. What for what?
I think we can draw something right there. Look! It's so large, bro! Hey! Hey! Let's put it back there. Hey, sorry. Look, it's so large! Bro!
This egg is
Oh.
large.
Oh! It's sticky!
It's larger
sticking.
than my face.
Bro, roll it. Oh, yeah.
Let's get a Maui.
Where?
Okay, and now let's get the Maui.
Mali. Dude,
What's this?
what's that? Cheese or something?
Torta.
It's torta.
Maui.
And what's this? Hot dog?
This is my dog.
No,
That's longanisa.
what's that? Steak. Hot dog, steak. Wait, what's this?
Embutido.
Potato. And this large chicken.
Literal chicken.
Why is it so...
Potato.
What's that? Nuggets? What? Hey, stop running, guys. Oh no! It's crack! Cart? A la carte.
A cart.
Two. Two.
Ba't to lang?
Ay, add to cart lang yun. Oh guys, kayo naman.
Fruit agad. Medium lang.
Secured.
Order. Added.
58 na 58.
Magkayo-wali lang kaya tayo.
Di, okay na yun. It's okay.
Kay large, sa'yo medium.
Medium lang din talaga sa akin.
Eh, ba't kayo ano?
Teka lang, magpa-price din ako. Yan.
Kumalma ka
Guys,
muna
sa'yo?
ako muna.
Kapag,
Ano daw
Wow,
yung
ang sarap.
price? Ano lang ako, upload tsaka medium price. Kuya, wag mo kami video at baka sumikat kami dyan.
Ay,
6 plus 59.
plus mga 106 plus 59.
6?
106, ano 6?
106 plus, ay, 106 plus 59. 165. 165.
Okay na ako.
Yung medium price ko.
Price?
Yung medium price. Ay, di.
What happened, man? Magkano sukli ko doon? Minus 200 mo.
Yan, medium price.
Pogi.
Ah.
Minus 200 mo.
ito.
Kapal talaga ng mukha.
Medium.
Medium.
Isa lang. Okay.
Ilan na yan? Ilan lang.
500 na, guys.
500 na guys.
Patay.
Hindi, wala yan.
Kasi to check out. Wala na?
Wait
Ay,
lang.
ikaw.
Ikaw pala.
Ikaw pala. Size mo.
Okay na.
Wow pa ka? Di ah.
Wait
Baka
lang.
baka madoble.
Pwede nyo ma-check yan. Wait lang.
Alam ko.
Reset.
Hindi. Check your order.
Kasi to
Saan?
check out.
Hindi, check your order. Check your order first, guys. Ng butlig. Start over. Cancel yan. Ang tagal niya? Ano yung mga nag-iintay? Uy, mag-muna eh. Yeah, ano?
Ito sa akin. Ito.
Dadagdag ako na dalawa.
Uy, isa lang.
Amin yung isa.
Ako
Ay,
din.
sige.
Kami din meron, syempre.
Bro.
Ito sa akin, tsaka
Wait lang. Ilan ulit? 79? 79 plus 184.
ito.
Ayan muna.
Ikaw, magkakahigo!
Ay, pasensya na sa mga nadaanan ko.
Na ano pa ako sa'yo.
Bus number 1, forward po tayo, forward. Forward po tayo, bus number 1.
I told you we can watch a movie.
Hindi ko masyado makita kaya binoculars.
It's so cold here, bro. Bro, it's so cold here. Lamig. It's so cold.
Ah, ganyan pala. Oh, ganyan. Ang galing.
Yan, bakit? There's so many buses.
Wow, English.
Yeah,
Incredible.
yeah. There's the Aguila there. Oh no, there's so many people. Wala, look. Wala yan, hindi naman ako sisigaw dyan.
Final destination. Final destination, Polo.
Guys, they will shout. Welcome to the new world.
Hindi pala sakla.
Walang mahabang pila. Talaga? Talaga.
Maangas. Nakita mo tumakbo si Polo?
Dati punong-puno yung pila na to. What happened to you?
Okay lang guys, kasama sa paglaki yan.
Ano masasabi mo, boss? Nauntog ka?
Normal lang yan. Lahat naman tayo tao lang.
Tao lang.
lahat tayo nagkakamali. Walang taong perfecto.
Kakamali mo eh. Ano to? May narinig yung bakal eh. Tumunog yung bakal. Kasi yung ulo tumunog sa kanya, yung bakal yung tumunog.